So in this video, you'll learn how to change the theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So when it comes to changing the theme, the first step is to access the theme store. To do this, you have two options you can use. You can long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then you can select Themes, or you can navigate to the Settings app. Then under Settings, you can scroll and select the option Themes. Once you're in your Galaxy theme store, you have different themes that you can choose from. You have video themes, you have paid themes, have animated themes, you have dark mode, you have light mode, all sorts of themes for you to choose from. So what you want to do is simply look for the theme you want to use. So for example, if I choose to use this theme right here. So if I want to use this theme, after looking at the preview, you'll tap on download. If you don't like how it looks like in the preview, you can just go back and look for a different theme that suits your preferences and then select it. You'll notice some themes are only giving you the one window here or one preview, and this is because it's a theme either for the lock screen only or for the home screen only. So keep that in mind whenever you look at different themes that are available for you to choose from. Then once you find your preferred theme and you like how it looks like, and then tap on download and wait for the theme to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the theme has been downloaded, tap on apply and then wait for the theme to be applied onto your system interface. And then once that is complete, you'll be redirected to the home screen and you can see the new theme has been applied successfully. So any of the default app icons will have been switched to fit the theme that's just been applied. You can even swipe down for the quick settings menu and you can see the change in the colors from the theme pack. You can even go back to the home lock screen and you can glance at it and you can see the changes that have been made. So that's how you can change the theme on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.